The interior angles of a hexagon are 107 degree, 2x, 150 degree, 95 degree, 2x minus 15 degree, and 123 degree. Find the value of x. Okay, what is an hexagon? An hexagon is a polygon that has 6 sides. You understand what I'm saying? An hexagon is a polygon that has 6 sides and 6 angles. So now we are given the angles. The angles are what? 107 degree, the first angle. The second angle that we're given there is 2x. The third is 150 degree. The fourth is 95 degree. The fifth is 2x minus 15 degree. And the sixth angle that we are given is 123 degree. Okay. Now, with respect to this information, how do we determine the value of x? Well, since we've been given that the interior angle are this, if we sum all this together, it must be equal to the sum of angles in an hexagon. Okay, so from this, we need to calculate the sum of angles in a hexagon. Now, according to a formula in Polygon, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree is the formula that is used to calculate sum of angles in a polygon. Sum of angles in a polygon. Okay, this is the formula that we're going to use to calculate the sum of angles in a polygon. Now, because an hexagon is a polygon that has 7 sides and 7 angles, so n is the numbers of sides. So I'm going to have 7 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Do you understand? Okay, so for this, I'm going to have 5 times 180 degree. Do you understand what I'm doing? You see, I cannot determine the value of x without knowing the sum of angles in the hexagon. So I want to calculate the sum of angles in the hexagon, and I told you that hexagon is a polygon that has 6 sides. This will be 6 and this should be 4. You understand? So n is numbers of sides. So I'm going to have 6 minus 2, which is 4. 4 times 180 degree will give 720 degrees. So the sum of angles will be what? 720. Do you understand? Okay, having gotten the sum of angles in this hexagon at 720, if I sum all this value, it must be equal to 720, because we are given that the interior angles of the hexagon are these. Okay, so for this, I'm going to have 107 plus 2x plus 150 degree plus 95 degree plus 2x minus 15 degree plus 123 degree must be equals to 720 degree. That is sum of angles in the hexagon. Okay, now add all this together. I'm going to have 107 degree plus 150 degree plus 95 degree plus 123 degree. That will give us 475 degree. Okay, so for this, I'm going to have 475 degree minus this 15 degree plus 2x plus 2x. That is what? 4x. So I'm going to have plus 4x equals to 720 degree. Okay, now subtract 475 degree plus subtract 15 degree from 475 degree. What will be the answer? 460 degree. So I'm going to have 460 degree plus 4x equals to 720. 4x will be equals to 720 degree minus 460 degree. Okay, if you subtract 460 degree from 720, you're going to have 260. So for this, I'm going to have 4x equals to 260 degree. To get the value of x, divide by 4. X is equals to 260 degree divided by 4. That is 65. Okay, so I'm going to have 65 degree. So the correct option to that question is option B, which is 65 degree. Do you understand?
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.